Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Christian here, Heart and Hustle, inspiring you guys to live a kick-ass life. Yesterday I was trying to get this shot with the drone, and I was able to get this one this morning. You can see me right there on the right. This was yesterday, and right here I had like 23% on the battery, and I figured, you know what, let me try to get this last one. And so I was like, all right, let me get down there 22%. And so I'm going down, and right as I start cruising back up, battery almost dies. Auto return, heading back. I have no more control of the drone. Go straight, boom! Ow! That would have been like a 60-foot drop. And here I am trying to recuperate the drone. Look, look. Holy shit. That's like a 60, 70-foot drop right there. I got the drone back and was able to get it, but you know, you're going to risk a lot on the way to perfection, or try to get as close to perfection, because only Jesus Christ is perfect. So again, just throwing this out there, showing you guys my trajectory, and hopefully you guys enjoy this shot, man. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.